presiding officer will check that the EVM handed to him is for his polling station. He will check the serial numbers and address tags before taking delivery. He will also check the operational aspects of the machine. He will switch on the CU and press total button to verify that the CU is set for the correct number of candidates. Check that the ballot paper is properly fixed. Check that the candidate buttons are unmasked and the rest masked. Seals of the CU or BU put by the RO are not to be opened by the polling personnel at any time. And if he finds anything faulty, he will ask for replacements. Polling day preparation. On the day of the poll, as a presiding officer of the team, remove the units from their cases, connect them, and switch on the CU. Press total button to ensure that no votes are polled. Conduct a mock poll of at least 50 votes. Polling agents may be allowed to cast their vote for their candidates and keep a record of the number of votes polled for each candidate, including nota. This step can't be skipped because this is about confirming the proper functioning of the machines. Now press the close button and show the polling agents that no more votes can be registered. The display shows invalid when you try to register a vote. Open the outer and inner doors of the result section. Now press result and show the agents the mock poll result. Once they are satisfied, clear the mock poll data from the EVM. Presiding officers have to fill the mock poll certificate and obtain the signatures of the polling agents on it. Do not forget to clear the results of the mock poll before you fill the mock poll certificate. The RO is supposed to track the conduct and the status of the mock poll. The micro-observer should also participate in the process, and these proceedings should be videographed wherever videography is being done. After clearing the mock poll data, seal the CU using the prescribed seals and tags and make it ready for the actual polls. Insert the green paper seal in the frames provided for both results. Close the results section inner compartment door with the green paper seal protruding outside. Seal the results section inner compartment. Fix the special tag in a manner that the close button is visible. Close the results section door while ensuring that the green paper seal protrudes outside. Now seal the door of the results section outer compartment using the address tag. Now fix the outer paper strip seal, keeping the strip seal with pre-gummed portion A near the base of the green paper seal. Remove the wax paper covering A and paste the lower layer of the green paper seal. Remove B and paste it above its upper layer. After pasting B, the pre-gummed portion C will be on top. Remove the wax paper over C. Press both the layers of the green paper seal onto C. Now take the strip seal round the control unit from the left side, just below the close button window. Bring the other end of the strip seal from the right side to the top. Now the pre-gummed portion D is on top. Remove its wax paper and paste it on top of the green paper seal. The control unit is now ready for the actual poll. Setting up EVM in a polling station. Place the balloting unit or units in the voting compartment and the control unit on the table of the presiding officer or third polling officer. Now switch on the power of the CU. The EVM is now ready for the actual poll. The polling officer allows the voter to vote by activating the start button on the control unit. The busy lamp starts glowing. The voter goes inside the polling enclosure and makes his selection. He makes his selection and pushes the button. A shrill sound follows, showing that his vote is registered. During the polls, if a voter expresses his inability to vote using the EVM or is confused, the presiding officer can explain the process using the cardboard model of the BU supplied to him. He will never explain the process inside the polling compartment. He will, however, make inspections of the BU from time to time in the presence of the polling agents and when there is no voter inside the compartment to prevent any mischief like pasting paper or tapes on the names of the candidates. Meaning of EVM displays. Over here, let's also have a look at what the different CU displays mean. Candidates 16. The EVM has been set for 16 candidates, including Nota, invalid. A button on the CU has been pressed out of sequence. Full means the maximum number of votes for which the EVM has been designed has been polled, that is, 2,000 votes. Battery high, medium or low is self-explanatory. Serial number E00001 is the internal serial number of the control unit. Computing result means the result is being computed. PST and PET, poll starting time and poll end time. Poll result PDT means poll date and time. Candidate 06236 means candidate number 6 has got 236 votes. Printing means print under process. Clock error means there is a problem with the RTC time and date. If the display says link error 1, that means the cable is not connected to the CU properly, or the slide switch position is not set at the correct number, or the balloting units are not cascaded in the right sequence. Pressed error means one of the candidates' button in the BU has been pressed by error or is jammed. Error. This means the CU cannot be used any further. At the close of poll. At this polling station, voting is over for the day. After the close of poll, remove the cap on the close button and press it. The control unit will now display some messages like battery status, total number of candidates including Nota, PST, PET, and total votes polled, etc. Just one troubleshooting tip here. After the close of poll, if the ballot button is activated or the ballot button may have been pressed inadvertently. In both these cases, the red busy lamp will glow in the CU. Switch off the power in the CU and the lamp will stop glowing. Now switch on the power again and close the poll. After closing the poll, refix the close button cap, open the bottom compartment and switch off the power. Disconnect the cable. Now pack the CU and BU in their carrying cases. Seal the cases and fix the address tags. Where the VVPAT is being used, disconnect all the cables of the VVPAT and seal the unit in the respective carrying case.